Workshop 3 centered on, do you have the right people and partners? Focused on building strong teams and partnerships for scaling ventures. Sessions covered strategic planning, customer discovery, milestone planning, and capital raising strategies. Participants engaged in peer due diligence, impact measurement, and business model mapping, emphasizing team building. The workshop culminated in investor meetings, providing participants with invaluable, real-world experience in presenting to potential investors and gathering feedback to refine their pitches. This experience, along with the final trial ranking, equipped participants with key insights and connections for building resilient, impact-driven businesses.
Also, that will cater into the license that you get after. That is not just your business license or your TIN when TRA looks at when they want to give you your tax clearance, but also later on when you come to do the pitching. So we'll look into that.
Specific skill or knowledge that led me join the program is to see my business in a deeper lens, and not just in a general way or in an overview way. But PesaTech Accelerator has equipped me with the skill of analyzing details in a way that how does a certain business metric impact your business, and how do you measure different aspects of your business based on the information you're given in the cohort.
What advice I can give to someone who wants to join the PesaTech is to don't think about how much you're going to get from the grants aspect, but think about the knowledge you're going to acquire, the information you're going to get, but also the network that you're going to create.
For a PSP license, and we're talking of the non-banks and non-financial institutions, these are the requirements, of which to most there are a lot. But when you are starting out, what we have mostly been able to do is help the startups and our clients to get to understand their business so that they be able, and first to be able to assist them in filling up these requirements.
To join PesaTech is it's one of the accelerators that we were looking into. At some point, we've done work with the UNCDF. So when we saw the opportunity to have a place in the PesaTech, we applied for it because for us, we needed to actually really understand how our business really works and just go to the ground on the whole business mapping, business model, just to understand how to actually generate revenues. And we are in a place where we want to actually scale out our products or our offerings. So I think PesaTech is the right place to be for us to be able to do that. Thank you for joining us at the PesaTech Cohort 2 Business Technical Bootcamp 2024. This event has showcased the immense power of dedication and teamwork in driving fintech innovation. Stay inspired, stay connected, and continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in the world of financial technology.